Hi, and welcome to Kiss and Drop at Bankhead Elementary School.
Kiss and Drop runs every day from 8:10 to 8:25 a.m. Upon arrival, please proceed through the single-lane route to the furthest available Kiss and Drop area designated by a large cone and greeter wearing a safety vest.
Good morning.
Upon pulling up to a designated cone, a greeter wearing a safety vest will open the passenger side door for all students to exit safely out of the vehicle. No students should be exiting the vehicle unless at a designated drop-off cone. Drivers, please do not exit your vehicles.
Good morning.
Good morning. Bye, guys.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
I'll make sure they're good today. Love you. Hey.
The average kiss and drop off is less than 20 seconds, and we are happy to help all students safely exit the vehicle. Students should be seated on the passenger side of the vehicle and have all school items ready to grab and go when in the kiss and drop lane. Please do not exit from the driver's side of the vehicle. Once your child has exited the vehicle, please safely pull out of the designated drop-off area and continue to the parking lot exit. If the car in front of you has not yet left their drop-off point, please patiently wait for them to finish before proceeding to the exit. Once the drop-off space becomes available, please once again continue to the furthest unoccupied cone. If you need to park or would like to walk your child to their classroom, please find a parking spot on the road and walk your child to the school using one of the designated crosswalks to cross the road if necessary. After school, the parking lot will be closed. Disability parking will continue to be available.
Thank you for your cooperation and patience with our Kiss and Drop operation, and thanks for keeping us safe.